This is a video demonstration of the hybrid learning model where the teacher is demonstrating using both Zoom and in-classroom teaching with the equipment that we have set up for hybrid learning.
Say that again.
So in this video, I'm going to describe the pieces of our hybrid model technology and how each works in this system. First here, we're in Lisa Papaleo's second grade classroom doing an observation during the demo time that we were able to set up before we went back on Purple. In this video, you'll see that the MacBook is the hub of all of the learning and how the teacher directs the classroom. The MacBook is the center of this system.
Definitely a little bit taller than you were before, right?
The second piece of technology you can see is an iPad. Every teacher will be given an iPad to use as a tool for doing Zoom. In this video, you'll see that Lisa uses it in two ways. One as a document camera, so that she can write underneath it on handouts or do drawings. And two, if she needs a versatile camera that can be used in the classroom. Be hesitant to walk around with the iPad with Zoom going live because the movement sometimes can cause kids to get nauseous. The third piece in this setup is the large Dell monitor that you can see where she has her Zoom gallery mode. The intent of the monitor is to be large enough so if you stepped away from your computer or were teaching from a distance that you still be able to see well enough students' faces and identify students that maybe have questions in the gallery mode. The intent there is that when teachers are at the computer teaching, the gallery mode would be on the Dell monitor, but if you were to be moving around the classroom, you could then move the gallery mode to the projector. Another tool that you'll be given is a sound bar with a lapel clip-on microphone or a necklace microphone, which can be draped over your neck. This both supports audio going through to students that are in Zoom at home and also amplifying your voice while wearing a mask in class. You'll see later that Lisa uses this microphone clip to walk over to students so that they can answer questions and Zoom students can hear the answers. The last real piece in this puzzle you can see is the projector or display panel, depending on what you have in your room. The intent for the display is where your shared screen would go. So you'll see that as she has shared screen mode, the kids in the class sitting in their desks see what the teacher is presenting, be it a PowerPoint or a website, but also at the same time, every student at home on Zoom sees the exact same image. So it allows the teacher to really concurrently teach both Zoom students and in class. You can see here that Lisa's interviewing the students, answering the questions, and that students are in the gallery mode on the projector. This really allows dual immersion, so students at home feel like they're involved in the class, and obviously students in the class can see the Zoom students and hear their questions. So this allows a seamless hybrid model of at-home learning and in-classroom learning, none of the students missing out on any of the pieces.
I think maybe let's just kind of make this stand out a little bit.
In this scenario, the teacher could also turn the iPad so that it faces the class or her MacBook so that the camera faces the class if the students at home feel like they're missing out, which we did hear a few times in the demo classroom that some students really did want to see the teacher on their screen when on Zoom.
And that's it, guys.
The intent of some of our training modules are to show you how to hook up all of this equipment in your classroom and also use it in this type of instructional model. The intent of this video is to simply demonstrate how it might work in one classroom, and each teacher can use this model and develop it for how their own teaching style and their own equipment.